Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment, where we serve you with gist coming out of the BBNaija lockdown house. I have a boyfriend at home and I can't disrespect him. Nengi finally gave reason why she can't date Ozo. Wow, this is coming as a shock to everybody because we all thought Nengi and Ozo would soon start a relationship. So I don't understand how Nengi now has a boyfriend outside, because from beginning she never said she has a boyfriend outside, and then suddenly now she has a boyfriend outside, and it's going to be a stumbling block for Ozo. Nengi has finally disclosed to her friend and deputy head of house, Watoni, that she has a boyfriend at home and can't disrespect him by dating Ozo in the house. Nengi confided in Watoni last night about her situationship with Ozo, saying she can't date Ozo because she has a boyfriend at home. Speaking about him, she said that the boyfriend doesn't deserve to be disrespected because he changed her life for the better. All she wants from Ozo is strictly friendship and nothing else. Meanwhile, she told Ozo she wouldn't like to start a relationship with him inside the house, maybe after the show. Was she lying to Watoni or playing Ozo's feeling? I really don't understand, guys. If you know what she's really doing there, please you can leave a message in the comment box for us who don't understand to know what's going on. Because I think they already created their relationship name. They call them the Ozone. So as it is right now, the Ozone has crashed. There's nothing like the Ozone again from what we are seeing. Everything has gone up in flames. So guys, what do you think about what Nengi said? And do you still see a relationship between Nengi and Ozo after this statement made by her? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.